How to take a 3D tour with Flyover. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can take a 3D tour with Flyover on Apple Maps. Apple Maps is one of the most useful applications for Apple devices. It provides the possibility of maps, navigation, memorization of certain locations, and the like. However, did you know that you can take a 3D tour with Flyover on Apple Maps? If you didn't know this, stay until the end of the video and find out how to do it. Open Maps on your phone. When the maps have opened, tap the search field and type the location you want. Note that not all locations have this option. We will take Rome as an example. Once you have opened the location in the options that open below, find the Flyover option and tap on it. When the app has opened, tap the screen to bring up the options in the lower part of the screen. When the options have opened, tap the Start Tour button. You can zoom with 2 fingers if the display is too small for you. And that is all. In this way, you can visit the rooms you want from your room. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more maps tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.